Oh, hello. How do you do? Oh, you're wondering, who in the world are you looking at? Well, my name is the Duct Tape Lady, and I am so excited to do this next project with you. This episode is done in collaboration with the Super Me Club, where kids feel great and do great, and they know the importance of drinking water. Oh, you thought I was going to come here and tell you all about a spoonful of sugar? No, no, no. Today, this special episode, we are going to be making these adorable, amazing water bottle holders and talk all about the importance of drinking water. So listen up, because throughout the episode, I'm going to be dropping so many interesting fun facts about water, and if there are any that you know, post it, drop it in a comment, and we'll teach each other all these fun facts. And when it comes to summertime, it's hot, it's fun, but it is so important to drink your water. I get so thirsty. I bring my water bottle when I go to camps and different things, but then everybody's looks the same. And I don't know whose is whose. So with this super amazing duct tape water bottle holder, which is waterproof and super durable, nobody will mix yours up with them. And even if your body doesn't feel thirsty, your body is probably still thirsty, and it is so important to drink your water. Maybe the most important fact about water is that drinking water, I know it just seems clear, what's so special? No, it has superpowers. Drinking water can actually help fight away illness. How amazing! So, the way we make this is, we are first going to say the supplies. All you are going to need for this amazing, fantastical, super wonderful, healthy project is duct tape, my favorite. I don't know if I said, but I'm the Duct Tape Lady. Even my kids have outfits out of duct tape. We just love, 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 love duct tape. And a scissor. And that's it. You got it. We're ready to start. So, in order to make this, you are going to choose your favorite color duct tape. Oh, I can't start yet. I forgot my very special 2 rules with duct tape. Rule number 1 with duct tape is you can never, ever, 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 ever mess up. You got it. No, not duct tape your friend's mouth. No, never mess up. You cut your duct tape piece a little bit too long, all you gotta do is trim it. You cut it too short, all you have to do is add. So no one's gonna say, Mushky, the Duct Tape Lady, I messed up. That's impossible. And rule number 2, I say with my adorable umbrella friend, yes, I remember. If I see any of you grabbing any tape, I will duct tape your hands to the table.
You're on a roll. Yeah, you're ready to start. You're on a roll. You're here to take part. You've got a gold imagination. You're an artist at heart. You're on a roll. Yeah, you're ready to play. You're on a roll. Arts and crafts every day. And if you want to make this world a better place with your art, you're on a roll.
Okay, we are ready to go. So I, for the sample, chose this adorable duct tape. But today I'm in the mood of something that looks a little more watery. So I am going to unroll my duct tape. You have to be very strong. Where's that strength? Drink a little bit more water. Unroll my tape. And once it's unrolled about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches, I pat it down on the table. I know it seems funny. Do it on a table that's not so fancy, not so wood. I'm going to pat it down and give a snip. After this, I am going to cut 7 more pieces of duct tape just like this. Now you could do all different colors, each one a different shade, a pattern, whatever you like. I'm gonna stick right now to just this awesome blue looking duct tape just because I love water. Did you know that drinking water can actually help you focus and keep you in a better mood? It works. I'm so very happy. I have just 6 more pieces to go. If you notice, I'm leaving a little space in between. Blending right into the table, like this beautiful vast ocean of water. Okay, so right now I am going to pick up my first duct tape piece, hold it with 2 hands, and put it upside down on the table so the sticky side is facing up. It's a little hard, you might need a friend to get your fingers off. Step number 3. I am now going to pick up another piece of duct tape, hold it with 2 hands, sticky side facing down, pull it apart so it's straight, and put it halfway on my first piece. So it looks like it's kind of falling off like this. I know you're getting nervous that the edges are not straight. Do not trim them now. I fold over only one of the sticky pieces. How many pieces of duct tape do I have now? Just one sticky side. I take another piece of duct tape. Do you see how half of it is this watery splash tie-dye and half of it's sticky? I'm going to now stick my next duct tape piece on top of only what is sticky. 1, 2, 3. For some reason, the faster you do it, the better it works. And now I'm going to continue. I am just loving this watery print. Did you know that water actually works as a cushion or a little pillow in between your joints and protects you when you play all those amazing sports? Just adding a little bit more. Oh wow, this duct tape is growing and growing. With the last sticky side, now you are able to, you got it, fold it over. Amazing size, amazing. I'm going to trim my edges, but not too much because I want to make sure that it is long enough to wrap around. I actually cannot even trim my other side because if I trim it too much, it won't be long enough. So either I have to add another piece, but oh no, this is good. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add a tiny bit more. I'm going to just add a little bit over here. Side. Yes, duct tape is very, very sticky. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to wrap it all the way around. Leave a little bit of room. I don't want it too tight. I don't want it too snug. See this way it comes in and out beautifully. But if you notice, this is not exactly the best holder. What is it missing? A bottom, a base. How are we going to create that? Bingo, a little bit more duct tape. So just like in the beginning, we created that duct tape piece of material, now we're just gonna create it in smaller. You can also just take a cardboard or a heavy paper to put it on bottom, but I kind of just get a thrill when everything is made out of duct tape. So, I'm gonna continue doing the same thing we did in the beginning, just adding a little bit of duct tape, making it grow. Gonna add one more piece. It's 4 pieces in total. And now I have this kind of uneven square. I'm using this as a base. So I'm going to trace around how big it's going to be. I can just take it with a scissor, or I can take any sort of marker and trace it. We circle it around. How awesome. How cool is that? Now how are we going to stick this together? You got it. No, not with water. Water is amazing, but it's not sticking it together right now. Duct tape. I'm going to take a piece of duct tape, also around 6-7 inches long. And you know karate? 1, 2, 3, very fast. Hiya! Now, I am going to stick it around the bottom, but halfway on. Now I'm going to place my circle down. Getting a little stuck. And I'm going to use the other half to stick it to this new base. It didn't go around all the way. It's a good thing I have a little more duct tape right here. I love using the scraps. I get the real out of it. Wow. It is going in and out, perfect, but we don't want to hold it. We want to be able to have it around us, that we could just put it around and have it there whenever we want. So we can drink this water all the time. Did you know that around 60% of your body is actually water? How cool is that? We're like big boned water things just walking around. So for the strap, I am going to use a different print. I'm going to use this honeycomb print and a really long piece, never-ending piece of duct tape. I'm going to lie it as flat down as possible and fold it over. I want it to be nice and durable. I'm going to take any color duct tape, 2 pieces, take the edges, put it down on one side and the other. Wow, unbelievable. My adorable water purse. If you want, you can personalize it by writing your initial. I wrote an H for my daughter. And remember to always drink your water. And while you're drinking your water, make sure to click that bell and subscribe. Have a wonderful, amazing day. And wait, what's the water saying? Oh, nothing. It's the ocean. It's just waving. Enjoy!